as blissful as the honeymoon was, the next couple of weeks, even the year, was really hard. Yes, I left. I left with no plans. I left because I could not be there anymore. And I left because I was finally in a small firm that again could not do.
You couldn't be there anymore because it was just not, they wanted you to do this. They were pushing you to do this and you really just didn't want to.
Right. Yeah.
And so you couldn't pretend.
Right. Exactly.
Anymore. Okay.
So,
and you're confident enough, you have enough in the bank where you feel like you can get somewhere else, get on your feet.
Yes, at the time. I can say now with absolute certainty, there's no amount of confidence and no amount of money in the bank that will prepare you for doing something like that. I'm super glad that I did it. But I'm saying that from the perspective of now running a proper firm that is growing pretty quickly and making money. But I can say that for the first year, after that, so pretty much all of 2015 and I think 2016, I made $3,000